don't like to be wet for real. So like when I get out the shower, like I like to hurry up and dry off because I don't like to be wet. And like if it's raining outside, I don't like to get wet. When people be dancing and like working out and stuff, and they be like, "Ooh, I worked up a good sweat." I don't like that. That's nasty. What's going on, y'all? It's AyooTravv, and I'm back again with another video. And I wasn't gonna do seafood this time, y'all, but the way y'all acted when I said that last video was my last seafood boil, I was like, I'll be wrong not to do another one. So I had to do another one. But y'all already know, before we start, go ahead and check the description box below for everybody part of the Epic Empire. Go ahead and like all the videos, you know, subscribe, do all that. I'm going to say grace. Father God, I come to you today to ask you what's up this food. Please let it be a nourishment to my body. Please let me digest this food properly. In your name I pray. Amen. Amen. One more time. Amen again. Y'all, what do I have? I have 2 lobster tails. I think they're like 1 pound each. I don't know. I kind of cut them in half. They were big. What else do I have? Eggs, corn, and sausages. I think that's all I got. I don't know. But I'm not starting eating because I'm starving. And this is hot. How y'all day going? Hope it's going well. What's today? Today's Sunday. I hope y'all went to church. Well, so I'm supposed to be doing this don't wipe your mouth challenge. You can like lick your lips and lick your fingers, but you're not supposed to wipe your mouth. I think Flavors by Dame Dash brought it back, but Iswani is the one that tagged me in it. So we're gonna see how far I get with this. Y'all know I'm about to stuff right now in my face. So I don't know how I feel about that. I know it's running down my face. I can do it, dog. I don't want to look at myself like that. That's too messy. Anyway, y'all, we're almost at 3K. So if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tell your friends to subscribe too, because we're almost at 3K. Let's start eating for my 3K celebration. Y'all know me. I'll get some more king crab and call it a day. Sorry I ain't talking much, I'm hungry. I told y'all that after church hunger is like crazy. And I had a really long night last night. So when I woke up, I was like, I won't do it. I had a long weekend actually. I judged a dance competition yesterday, and I got there at 11, didn't leave till like 7. That's how long it was. Now, it was fun. Don't get me wrong. just long. And like I said, I was a judge, so them people, parents, like, I don't know if y'all ever been to a dance show for like kids, but them parents be crazy. So after we judged, I ran. I got out of there. Because the last time I judged, them parents were like, why they get this and why they get that? The judge need to meet me outside. I ain't got time for that. Ain't nobody about to beat me up over no dance show. So I got out of there. After we gave out the trophy, I got out. Y'all ain't finna attack me. And it's like, yeah, you want everybody to win because like they kids. Like you want them to feel like they're winners, not losers. But at the end of the day, somebody gotta win. So this is not about having fun. Like people get so caught up in winning first place, second place, third place. Who cares? Still won because you got out there and you did it. That's the hard part. Winning is hard too, but actually getting out there and dancing in front of all these people, like, you know, doing what you've been working on this whole time, that's hard. So, and it's not always about getting a trophy or bragging rights to be in first place. Just have fun. Like, I miss when dancing used to be fun and like the arts used to be fun. Now everybody do it so they could just have bragging rights and say, oh, I won this, I won that. That's so corny. Y'all, I had to film 2 videos today because I don't have one for tomorrow and I'm over it. Because my stomach gonna be full and let me tear the bathroom up. This is a big old piece of meat. Oh, oh. Oh, good. Y'all, I did. What was I about to say? I just completely forgot what I was about to say. I don't know. But whatever. A lot of y'all seen that Never Have I Ever video. And I told the story about how I used the bathroom on myself when I was 19. Yeah, I think that's funny. I don't think that's funny. It was an accident. And some of y'all was judging me. Somebody was too old to use the bathroom on yourself. Okay. I know I was, but I didn't mean to use the bathroom on myself. But whatever. Y'all can judge me anyway. And then some of y'all who was it? Somebody commented and said that I'm YouTube's worst challenger. If that wasn't true, I would feel offended. I don't be doing good with these challenges. I be trying y'all. So cut me some slack. Y'all be thinking it's funny when I fail, but I'm gonna get y'all because I got the spicy challenge coming up. And watch. I'm probably gonna fail that too, but still, I'm gonna try at least. And it's like y'all never give me no props for trying, but y'all always gonna laugh at me when I don't do good. But it's cool, cause we all know that I don't do good with spices. So I feel like y'all be clicking on them videos just cause y'all know that it's gonna be torture for me. And y'all ain't right. Y'all ain't right. Like I said, it was supposed to be a don't wipe your mouth challenge, but that's nasty. I can't see it with stuff running down my face. Cause I don't like, this is gonna sound crazy, but I don't like wet stuff, y'all. And anybody that's thinking something negative, you're nasty. But I don't like wet stuff. And like, I don't like to be wet. So like, shut up. I don't like wet stuff. Yeah, I was talking to somebody in my background because they laughed when I said that. I don't like to be wet for real. So like, when I get out the shower, like I like to hurry up and dry off because I don't like to be wet. And like if it's raining outside, I don't like to be wet. What else? I mean, I go swimming, of course, but like if I'm sitting like in the pool or something, that's a different story. But if I'm like outside the pool and there's water dripping down, like I just feel disgusting. Excuse me. Like when people be dancing and like working out and stuff, and they're like, "Ooh, I worked up a good sweat." I don't like that. That's nasty. I don't like to be wet. And like I said, anybody that's thinking something negative, you nasty. I don't like wet stuff at all. Dang, I ate all the food already, yo. I thought I wasn't eating enough. Food almost gone. Yo, after this, I don't know when next time I'm gonna do a seafood boil. Cause this is like, that's all y'all wanna see? That's all y'all wanna see? I do it though. I mean, I don't mind, I love seafood all the time, but I just be like, I don't wanna keep putting out the same video. But then y'all be like, where the seafood at? So I was like, okay, well, I guess I gotta do some more seafood. It don't bother me, so as long as it don't bother y'all, then I'm just gonna keep eating seafood. Somebody asked, like, even though they didn't ask me, they told me that I need to stop eating so much seafood because it's bad for my health. First off, paging doctor, nobody asked you. Mind your business. If I'm gonna eat seafood every day, I'm gonna eat seafood every day. I go to the doctor, so obviously, I mean, you have to get yourself checked when you're doing videos like this. So, I'm cool. Yeah, I'll be looking cute in this camera. Don't wipe your mouth. I can't do it. Can I get some on me? I can't tell. I'm sure I did. I'll see afterwards when I edit it. I eat all the sausage. Oh, what that one? Alright, I'm gonna stop eating because I'm full. I don't know what I'm eating tomorrow. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing a video a week straight of just chicken. Since I did the week straight of seafood, I think I'm gonna do the week straight of chicken. Shout out to my sister for the idea. Yeah, I'm full. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Whether you watch the whole thing, 1/3, 1/4, I don't care because you clicked on it and you didn't have to. Don't forget to check the description box below for everybody part of the Epic Empire. Go ahead and let them know AyooTravv sent you. If you haven't already, hit my red subscribe button turning gray. Hit the bell right next to it to be notified each and every time I drop a video, y'all. And make sure y'all share the videos with your friends. If you love it, share with your family, your friends, all that. Let them know we on the road to 3K, y'all. We like 200 away. I'm not sure the exact number, but we almost there. So I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all already know, if you check the description box, you'll see my Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. Add me, follow me, leave me a comment on here, leave me a comment on my social media, DM me, whatever. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see, what you don't want to see, what you want to say, what you don't want to say, what you want to eat, what you don't want to eat, all that good jazz. Let me know something. I always tell y'all some feedback's better than no feedback. I'm going to troll right back with you because I'm a professional troller, and I'm going to get you before you get me. Other than that, it's been real. AyooTravv is out.